First, clean the caliper thoroughly to remove any dirt. Now, align the rotor and install the new pads. Finally, secure the caliper with the bolt. Mirror and trim repair. Restore your old mirrors and chrome to like new. We polish and reinstall them for a flawless, reflective finish. Repairing the window regulator, fixing the door lock mechanism, adjusting the door handle, testing the repairs. Shocks and springs are out, new ones going in, bushings and arms repaired, suspension is solid now.
First real start attempt. Come on, turn over.
Fuel system check, let's see what we've got here. These fuel lines are corroded, better replace them. The tank looks solid enough. Starting full inspection on the light gold car. Roger that. Checking the rear panel, dent on the rear door, marking it.